Have you ever cracked your knuckles and was wondering what's going on? I'm Dr. Pichini, and I'm a chiropractor here in the Rexdale Etobicoke area. And today we're going to talk about what a chiropractic adjustment is and how it can help you. So first, we have to talk about what a joint is. A joint is an area where two bones come together, and it's usually surrounded by a capsule filled with fluid, which allows that joint to move freely and smoothly. There are many different types of joints in our body. Each one of them moves in a unique way to allow us to achieve movement. When our movement becomes limited due to pain, injury, or tightness, we lose full range of motion. Range of motion is the full range at which we were able to move our joints. A chiropractic adjustment allows you to restore full range of motion, which helps you move better, feel better, and reduce pain. In most cases, an audible pop or crack can be heard from the joint. Essentially what that is air being released from the fluid in the joint. It's usually quick and painless and usually makes people feel a lot better. An adjustment is not only helpful for when you have pain, it can also help you to move better and feel better, and is helpful for proper maintenance of the spine and your joints.
Yeah.
Anti-flexion one. So this is going to be like
Nice.